Hey friends, I hit the wrong button. Don't judge me. Here we go. Welcome to Percentages Day 2, as always, or usually, or sometimes. It's your pal, Mr. McCarthy. Sometimes it's Miss O'Keefe, sometimes it's Mr. Converse, but oftentimes it's me. So buckle up. We're here to have some more fun with percentages. Once again, we are relating and comparing percents, decimals, and fractions. Boop. Okay. So now we're going the other direction. We're turning percents back into fractions. Get out of the way, you handsome devil. All right. So, 8 100ths, they're turning into 2 25ths, I see? Yeah. Okay. I'll take that. So 8% equals 8 100ths. Divide the 8 and the 100 by 4, and you get 2 25ths. Okay. 65%, they're dividing the 65 and the 100 by 5 and getting 13 20ths. So they're just making it a fraction and then simplifying. I get it. That makes sense. So we're really looking at this core bit down here. That's the skill we're doing. We're going backwards from percentages back to fractions. Okay. Okay. All right. That seems pretty simple. I'll do this first one. So they're saying 94% equals 94 100ths, but then it wants you to simplify. If I divide by 2 and divide by 2, 94 divided by 2 is going to be 47. 100 divided by 2 is 50. Is that right? So then I get 47 out of 50. Do the rest for these, or do the same for the rest of these. I'll start up in 5 seconds. Okay? That means you're supposed to pause me while you do this, by the way. And then resume when I'm done. Or you're done. Okay, 88 out of 100 equals 88 out of 100, which equals 44 out of 50, which equals 22 out of 25. All right, 22 25ths. Okay, you're going to simplest form, simplest form, simplest form. 42% equals 42 out of 100, or 21 out of 50. Done. Oh, you, mister, always in the way. Every day I need attention, it seems. 56% is 56 out of 100, which equals 28 50ths, which equals 7 25ths. 12% equals 12 out of 100. Those both divide by 4, and I get 3 25ths. And 78 divided by 100 is going to be 39 50ths. All right. That's that. Any questions? Oh, that's right. I cannot hear you, so never mind. All right. So percents as decimals. 48% equals 48 hundredths equals 48 hundredths. 79 out of 100 equals 79 out of 100 equals 79 hundredths. Oh, it's getting easier, not harder, I hope. All right. Pause me. I think you can do these. I'm starting in 5 seconds. Okay, 38% is 38 out of 100, or 38 hundredths, 4 hundredths, or 4 hundredths, 97 hundredths, or 97 hundredths, 60 hundredths, or 6 tenths. You don't need that 0 for 60 hundredths, so you can just do 6 tenths. Okay, nice. All right. Whoop. Find the missing fractions, decimals, and percents. Okay. Pause me. This one might take a couple minutes. I'm going to start in 5 seconds. So when you're all done, you can resume the video and see what I've got. Boom. So here's what I'm going to do. Just because this is written out as decimals, I'm going to do all the decimals first. 3 tenths, or hundredths, haha. 22 hundredths, 52 hundredths, 75 hundredths, a whole. 3 hundredths is 3 hundredths, or 3%. 22 hundredths is 22%. 52 100ths. Yes, could I simplify that? But it doesn't ask me to. So there. Plus, that one's not simplified either. This could be 75 100ths, or if you know that one already, yeah, it's 3/4. And this one is just 1 or 100%. Okay? Sweet. Moving on. We're at the let's practice section. That means we're almost done with this lesson. You jump up here, handsome. Pause me. Let's do this in 5 seconds together. No, you do this, and then I'll show you my work in 5 seconds after you pause and unpause me while you do your work. Go. Okay. It's a fraction and a percent. Did you guys read that part? I hope so. $10, $20, $30, $44, 44%. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 83, 83%. Boom. This is almost soothing. All right, let's do the next one. Woo-wee. Take all of these numbers, express them as percentages. You can either do them now by pausing me and then restarting when we're done, or if you're feeling brave, you can race me here in about 5 seconds. So pause, work on them, and restart me. Or if you're feeling your oats a little bit, that means if you're feeling energetic, feeling brave, you can race me. Okay, so either pause or get ready to race. Okay, go. How am I doing? Boom. Now I gotta look, make sure I didn't make any mistakes. Hopefully I didn't. But there you go. Those are those fractions and those decimals converted to percents. Okay. We're really looking at just convert. Everything is out of 100, out of 100, out of 100. So for this one here, I'm looking at 30 hundredths here. I'm looking at 80 hundredths here. It's 5 hundredths here. It's 9 hundredths. Everything's out of 100 with percents. Okay. Fraction in simplest form. Convert these to fractions with 100 in the denominator and then simplify what you can. As always, pause, solve, restart. I'm going in 5 seconds. Okay. Simplest form. Simplest form. Simplest form. Simplest form. Simplest form, divide top and bottom by 4. And then 54 100ths equals 27 50ths. Boom. All right, got it. All right. Do 25 through 30. Pause me, and then we'll pick up and look at the answers, and we'll talk about 31. So I'm starting in 5 seconds on those. And you can erase me now if you want. That's 1700ths. Don't judge. Of the 100 people who visited a museum last Wednesday, 63 were tourists. Well, what percent of the people who visited were tourists? 63%. What percent were not tourists? Well, 100 minus 63 is going to be 37%. That's it. That's it. Okay. Where can I hide? I'm going to jump up with this fruit bowl here because it looks delicious. Of the 100 pieces of fruit that Harry picked in the orchard, 34 were oranges, the rest were apples. What percent were oranges? Fill it out. It should take about 2 seconds. You got it? 34%. What percent were apples? That'd be 66%. Good. Copy the number line, mark an X to show where each percent is located. If you're working this on the screen, what you can do is do this. 4%, like that. And then this one here is going to be the 28%. This one here is going to be 49%. And then finally, Right there, 77%. If you're marking your screen, that's what you'd have been asked to do. Okay. Oh, last page. Oh, wait. I just did that. Oh, no, are these different? Oh, these are different. Haha. Express each one as a decimal. Wait, did I do the last one right? Okay. So these were converting to decimals and then marking the number line. So 14 out of 100 equals 14 hundredths. I like to say out of 100 per percent. 55 out of 100 equals 55 hundredths. 7 out of 100 equals 7 hundredths. 98 out of 100 equals 98 hundredths. So that's the 0 and 7 hundredths. That's the 0 and 14 hundredths. I should have given you time to do these, but whatevs. This is the 55 hundredths. And this is the 98 hundredths. That's it. Those are your workbook pages. I'm assuming you did 71 and 72 yesterday. These are probably the next ones. But just double check, do whatever your teacher assigns to you. You may or may not have a problem with the lesson. You may or may not have an exit slip. Do what you're told. Do your best. Okay? I think you can do this. Okay, friends, that's all I got. I'll be talking to you later. And I'm done. I'll change clothes next time. Bye.